Hi everyone, Namaste. Today we are going to make tasty, soft, crunchy sabudana vada. Sabudana are also known as sago pearls or tapioca pearls, prepared from starchy extract from roots of mogo cassava. This traditional deep fried fritters is from Maharashtra region, also a staple during festivals and fasting days. So let's see the ingredients. For making sabudana vada, we require 1 cup of sabudana, sago pearls. We'll soak with the water, it will double the size. 1 cup of boiled mashed potato. For flavors, we'll add 1 tablespoon of green chili ginger paste, 1 tablespoon of finely chopped cilantro leaves, 5 to 6 chopped curry leaves, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. For dry masala, we'll add 1 tablespoon of cumin coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of salt as needed, half teaspoon of sugar. For binding the fritters, we'll require 2 tablespoons of arrowroot flour, which we can use in fasting days. This we get from Indian store, and 2 tablespoons of roasted peanut powder. Before deep fry the fritters, we'll add 1 teaspoon of Eno salt. This is optional if you want to add, otherwise it's okay. And to deep fry we need oil. So let's prepare sabudana vada. First we'll wash the sabudana, sago pearls with the water. Drain the water. And soak with the water for at least 5 to 6 hours. Now we will pressure cook the potatoes in salted water for 3 whistles. Our boiled mashed potato is ready. Soak sabudana looks nice, soft and spongy. We'll mix it with potato. We'll add all the masalas, green chili ginger paste, cilantro leaves, curry leaves, lemon juice, cumin coriander powder, red chili powder, sugar, and half teaspoon of salt. Roasted peanut powder, and arrowroot flour. Mix it well so all the flour get coated in and we get a nice binding. Now we'll make the sabudana vada patties. We'll use little oil in our hand. And we'll make a round balls and we'll flatten them out little. To deep fry sabudana vada, we'll heat the oil to fry sago fritters on a medium flame. Gently put all the vadas gently flip we have to fry them till it gets little crispy and golden brown. It's nice and crispy. We'll take it out. This is our tasty, soft and crunchy traditional deep fried sabudana sago fritters is ready to serve. Enjoy with sweet masala yogurt or green chutney. Must try this crunchy sabudana vada. Please subscribe my food channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for the latest updates. Next time, see you with a new recipe. Till then, eat healthy, stay happy. Love you all.